my beautiful, gorgeous, wonderful queen bees. It is your girl Amanda, the Buzz Artist. Welcome back to my channel, a place where you can let loose and just have fun with your acrylic paint. It's fall month, queen bees, so you know what that means. We're going to be doing a ton of Halloween fall-inspired tutorials on this channel. So we've already done pumpkins, and we've already done sunflowers, and we've already done a scarecrow. Now we're going to go back into the world of pop art and explore candied apples. We're going to be doing a monochromatic painting. What does that mean exactly?
Monochromatic is usually defined as or relating to monochromatism.
It pretty much means we're going to be working with one color and one color only. Okay, grab your supplies and come meet me. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this. Yeah. Hi there! Because we're only dealing with one color, I decided I wanted to go with the color orange because fall, right? And I was thinking, well, orange is comprised of two colors, which is going to be some red and some yellow. We're going to be using those two colors to make that one color orange, well as some white, just to kind of help us accentuate and bring out some of that orange and play with the different color values. So this is going to be a fun challenge. I'm excited to go ahead and give it a shot. So first I'm going to sketch out exactly what it is that I want to do. I'm thinking a candied apple that has some like goop dripping on the top of it, and there's gonna be some M&Ms on top, and I'm thinking it's gonna be a nice candy stick, so let's get to it. I'm gonna go in now with a Sharpie and accentuate the outline. Pretty nice. I'm a fan. And I'm also going to just add in a few of the M&Ms. Cool, right? Next, we're going to start to paint. So I'm grabbing my 3/4 inch flat wash brush. I'm gonna dip it in some water, get it nice and wet. Now I'm gonna make the color orange, okay? So I'm just gonna take some of my red. I'm gonna take a big chunk of my yellow, okay? Now I really want this to be like a garish orange. Like I want it to be just like popping in your face, just in your face orange. So I'm just gonna paint this whole thing in. So we have a freshly painted candied apple, monochromatic. Because the paint is still wet, I want to keep on going. So all I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some white and I'm going to add it to the yellow, excuse me, to the orange we were just making. I want to accentuate the droopy goop that's on top. I don't know, like what is that called again? Like the candy part of the apple? A very light orange, so. Now, I'm just gonna add in the white on top here. Now, because the paint is still wet underneath, the orange is really gonna start to come out more, which I really love. I'm just going to go back in with my Sharpie and just fill in the stick, as well as just accentuate some of the lines that are just around here. I want to wait for this part to dry. So you can either go in with a Sharpie or with some black paint and have at it. So I chose to go with black paint, and I'm using my number 10 shader brush to just help me make those very straight lines. And then I'm going to use my number 0 detail round brush just to go ahead and accentuate the edges. I want to fill in our little M&Ms here, going back in with that orange we were just dealing with beforehand. I think I'm going to use my filbert for this one. Again, just going to take some yellow and some red, make some magic. Doesn't that look delicious? Last thing, I want to do like a statement piece because what's pop art without its statements, right? I'm just gonna write nom 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 all in the background. I think that'll be a really cool aesthetic. Queen bees, wasn't that amazing? I had so much fun making this. I hope you did too. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, you know what to do, so that you can see more fun, awesome fall and Halloween inspired paintings from me to you in the future. Well, I'm in the Halloween spirit, so I'm going to keep on painting. I'm going to see you all next week with another spooky tutorial. See you all next time. Bye!